Hey y'all, it's Dream. I'm standing here in the house and Joey's having a wonderful race. But that's not what this video is about. I apologize. Today is our first episode of Clean and Decorate with me for fall, as promised. We will be starting in the house and then we will work our way out to the garden areas as the temperatures cool down and the plants become available so we can get them in the gardens. But in today's video, we're gonna decorate this beautiful mantle behind me. We're also going to be doing the front entryway seating area. We're going to clean some of the rugs, vacuum. I still have a bookshelf to work on, but it's not really part of the clean and decorate with me. And we're going to also clean and decorate our entryway fountain area. So if you all are new here, typically we do garden videos, and yes, we're kind of taking a sidestep in this video, and that's because eventually we'll be outside decorating out there. So if you are new, you should know that we not only decorate inside the house, but we decorate all the way around outside of the house. And if you are returning, salute. I'm so glad to see you again. Okay, let's talk about the mantle. Good look at it first. So I know some people are going to want to know where everything comes from. I wish that I could put this stuff in the links in the description down below, but honestly, y'all, I've had most of this stuff for a long time. The table runner that you see going across the bottom came from Ross about 3 years ago. The season of thanks came from Hobby Lobby 12 years ago. These two pumpkins over here on the left and the scarecrow, I've had those for several years. The two pumpkins, I think I've had them, well, it was Garden Ridge before it was at home, so I've had them a minute. The scarecrow I got at a thrift store. The two signs, the home and fall signs, those come from Dollar Tree. The two owls came from Michael's. The candles and the picks that are around the bottom, that all came from Hobby Lobby. This center, I don't know if you can see it, that center vase right there, I got that at a thrift store, and I don't even remember what thrift store I got it at. And then the wheat and the picks, the wheat came from Hobby Lobby, and the corn and the leaf picks, those all came from Dollar Tree. And then the little various ornaments, this is from Dollar Tree. That one's from Dollar Tree. These two little guys are both from Hobby Lobby. And I was just at Hobby Lobby. They don't have these little scarecrow and owls anymore. This is Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, and Dollar Tree. So that's with the mantle. I absolutely love fall. I love all of the colors. I love the richness of the colors. It's one of my favorite times to decorate. And so as you can see, I didn't do a lot, and that's just because this is so I can build on it, because in September we'll add a little more, and then September 21st all the fall stuff comes down and the entire house transforms into Harriet Street's Dead and Breakfast, inside and out. So that's what that looks like. You saw me clean this rug, and then the pillows I have right there again came from when it was Garden Ridge, but is now at home. The table I got from, I think it was Pier 1 years ago, and the two chairs that you see in the back, those came from at home, and I got those a year ago. So they may still have those there. And of course there's my beautiful, that little one right here is not Yoda. This is Hot Rod. She kind of a wide load. And that right there is Yoda. Okay, finally our fountain area is the only other place that I decorated here in our front entry. The masks that you see in the back, both of those came from Hobby Lobby years ago. I've had them. I have a whole collection of them up here on the wall. The vases that you see, those all came from Target about 6 or 7 years ago. And then the picks that you see, the wheat and all of the leaves, those all came from Hobby Lobby. And I would love to link them down in the description for you all, but I don't think they're around anymore.